Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download subscription metrics from Chargebee, complete guide step by step clearly. To download subscription metrics from Chargebee, start by logging into your Chargebee account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Reports section in the sidebar. In the Reports section, look for Subscription Metrics. Click on Subscription Metrics to open the detailed view. Select the date range for which you want to download the metrics. After selecting the date range, choose the specific metrics you wish to include in your download. You can filter the data based on subscription status, like active, cancelled, or past due. Next, locate the Export button usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Export button to initiate the download process. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose the format of the download, such as CSV or XLSX. Select your preferred file format for the export. Once you've made your selection, click on Export again to confirm. The system will process your request, and a download link will be generated. After a moment, you will receive a notification that your report is ready. Follow the provided link to download the subscription metrics file to your device. Open the downloaded file to review your subscription metrics data. You can now analyze the information as needed for your business insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.